Hi everyone, I am Renju Francis, Assistant Professor, Basic Science and Humanities Department, Jyoti Engineering College. Here we go to the next session of Laplace transform. Here are some Laplace transform of elementary functions. L of 1 equals 1 pi s, L of t equals 1 pi s square, L of t square equals 2 factorial by s cube, L of t raised to n equals n factorial by s raised to n plus 1, L of e raised to at equals 1 pi s minus a, L of e raised to minus at equals 1 pi s plus a, L of cos omega t equals s by s square plus omega square, L of sin omega t equals omega by s square plus omega square, L of cos h omega t equals s by s square minus omega square, L of sin h omega t equals omega by s square minus omega square, L of e raised to at cos omega t equals s minus a by s minus a whole square plus omega square, L of e raised to at sin omega t equals omega by s minus a whole square plus omega square. Now we go to the next property, first shifting theorem. So if L of f of t, that means Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s, then L of e raised to at f of t equals f of s minus a. So in order to find Laplace transform of e raised to at into f of t, first of all you find F of t, Laplace transform of f of t. There you replace s by s minus a. So using these Laplace transforms of elementary functions and shifting theorem, we can do some problems. We go to the first problem. Find Laplace transform of 2 raised to t. L of 2 raised to t equals integral 0 to infinity f of t e raised to minus st dt. That is a general formula to find Laplace transform of a function. Here you replace f of t by 2 raised to t. So integral 0 to infinity 2 raised to t into e raised to minus st dt. Then we can't directly integrate. So make this 2 raised to t in the exponential form. We can write e raised to log 2 raised to t. That is same as 2 raised to t. So this becomes integral 0 to infinity e raised to log 2 raised to t into e raised to minus st dt. That is equals integral 0 to infinity. Now e raised to log 2 raised to t is same as e raised to t log 2 into e raised to minus st dt. Combine this exponential function and take negative t outside. So integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus of s minus log 2 into t dt equals integral of this exponential function is e raised to minus of s minus log 2 into t by minus of s minus log 2 within the limit 0 to infinity. Now apply lower limit and upper limit put for t equal t for t and simplify. So here you will get e raised to minus infinity minus e raised to minus 0 by minus of s minus log 2, which is equal to e raised to minus infinity is 0 and e raised to minus 0 is 1. So here the answer is 1 by s minus 2 log 2. Now we go to the next problem. Find Laplace transform of cos square 2t. L of cos square 2t equals L of cos square theta equals 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So here cos square 2t equals 1 plus cos 4t by 2. So replace here and apply linearity property. So 1 by 2 into L of 1 plus L of cos 4t. That is equals L of 1 by 2 into L of 1 is 1 pi s plus L of cos 4t is s by s square plus 16. By doing LCM and simplifying, here we will get 1 by 2 into s square plus 16 plus s square by s into s square plus 16. That is same as 2s square plus 16 by 2 into s into s square plus 16. Take 2 outside and cancel. So here we will get s square plus 8 by s into s square plus 16. So this is what Laplace transform of cos square 2t. Next example, find Laplace transform of sin cube t. We know that sin cube t formula is 3 sin t minus sin 3t by 4. So there you replace. So L of sin cube t equals L of 3 sin t minus sin 3t by 4. Now apply the linearity property. Take 1 by 4 outside. So 1 by 4 into 3 into L of sin t minus L of sin 3t. That is equals 1 by 4 into 3 into L of sin t is 1 by s square plus 1 minus 3 into 1 by s square plus 9. That is equals, take 3 by 4 outside and simplify by doing LCM and all. So here we will get 8 by s square plus 1 into s square plus 9. Take 4 outside and cancel it. So here we will get 6 by s square plus 1 into s square plus 9. Next we go to the next problem. Find Laplace transform of sin 3t into cos 2t. L of sin 3t into cos 2t equals L of sin a cos b formula, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b by 2. That is equals 1 by 2 into L of sin 3t plus 2t is sin 5t plus sin 3t minus 2t is sin t. That is equal to 1 by 2 into L of sin 5t is 5 by s square plus 25 plus L of sin t is 1 by s square plus 1. By doing LCM and simplifying, we will get 1 by 2 into 6s square plus 30 by s square plus 25 into s square plus 1. Now take 6 outside. So here we will get 3 into s square plus 5 by s square plus 25 into s square plus 1. We go to the next problem. Find Laplace transform of e raised to 2t into cos 5t. We know that by shifting theorem, if L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of e raised to at into f of t equals f of s minus a. So we can see how we can do this problem. Here f of t equals cos 5t. So here what about Laplace transform of cos 5t? Cos 5t Laplace transform is s by s square plus 25. Now L of e raised to 2t into cos 5t means the Laplace transform of cos 5t, that is s by s square plus 25. The s changes to s minus 2. So if you are replacing s by s minus 2, here we will get s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square plus 25. So this is Laplace transform of e raised to 2t into cos 5t by applying first shifting theorem. We go to the next problem. Find Laplace transform of e raised to minus 2t into 3 sin h2t minus 5 cos h2t. We know that by shifting theorem, L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of e raised to at into f of t equals f of s minus a. Here f of t is taken as 3 into sin h2t minus 5 cos h2t. So Laplace transform of f of t equals L of 3 sin h2t minus 5 cos h2t. Here this is equal to L of 3 sin h2t minus 5 into, take 3 outside, minus, take 5 outside, 5 into L of cos h2t. We know 3 into L of sin h2t is 2 by s square minus 4 minus 5 into cos h2t is s by s square minus 4. So here we will get the answer 6 minus 5s by s square minus 4. Now we have to find Laplace transform of e raised to minus 2t into 3 sin h2t minus 5 cos h2t. So here 3 sin h2t minus 5 cos h2t, Laplace transform is 6 minus 5s by s square minus 4. There you replace s by s plus 2. So simplifying we will get 6 minus 5s minus 10 divided by s square plus 4s plus 4 minus 4. There my 4 and minus 4 cancel. So here we will get minus 5s minus 4 divided by s square plus 4s. So thank you all.